Okay, so you were told just to do 1, 3, and 5. So we're going to check our work on 1, 3, and 5 on page 109. So we're on page 109. What I'm going to do and what you should do always is write down your rules. So we have same sign equals a positive and different signs equals a negative. So now I have my signs at the top. I can now answer all of my questions. Number 1, negative 444 divided by negative 111. I have a negative divided by a negative, 2 of the same sign, so my answer is going to be positive. So now I can just do my division. 111 into 444 goes into 444 how many times? 4 times. 4, 4, 4, and 0 left over. So my answer should be a positive 4. The next one, we had a positive divided by a negative. 2 different signs. Different signs tells me my answer is going to be negative. So I'm going to have a negative answer. Then I'm going to do 15 into 225. 15 goes into 22 one time, 15 with 7 left over. Bring down your 5. 15 goes into 75 how many times? It goes in 5 times. 5 times 15 is 75 with 0 left over. So my final answer with my sign is negative 15. And the last one, we have a negative divided by, a positive divided by a negative, right? This is written as 1080 divided by negative 20. So we have a positive divided by a negative. So I know my answer is going to be, because they have different signs, my answer is going to be negative. And I'm going to divide, 20 goes into 1080, how many times? 20 goes into 100 5 times. 108. 5 times 20 is 100. With 8 left over, bring down your 0. 20 goes into 80 4 times. 4 times 20 is 80 with 0 left over. So my final answer is going to be negative, because we decided that a positive divided by a negative is negative. It's going to be a negative 54. Okay, now you have to go through and solve number 2, 4, and 6. Go ahead and try 6 and 4, and actually 2. So let me talk about it actually really fast before. This dot just means multiplication. So really, this one is negative times 10 over negative 5. And this is negative, this is 4 times 4, which is 16. So a negative times this one is that. And this one, again, this x down here is a multiplication sign. So 4 times 3 is 12 over negative 6. So go ahead and try these ones now, and we will check our work after.